Traditional monitoring tools often overload security teams with unhelpful alerts. These outdated systems aren't suited for the cloud, lack clear, context-based notifications, and don't meet modern needs. Organizations need file integrity monitoring to safeguard their critical data and IT infrastructure. FIM improves overall security and aids in regulatory compliance by continuously validating the integrity of critical files. TrueFort's real-time file integrity monitoring solution efficiently tracks file, configuration, and binary changes, identifying tampering or malicious actions. We compare detected changes with expected behavior and your security policies, swiftly flagging any genuinely suspicious activity. Our cloud-friendly platform offers visibility into unusual activity and provides evidence of crucial file changes to ensure compliance with cybersecurity regulations. TrueFort's real-time file integrity monitoring solution employs a continuously validated baseline that monitors behavior, including version changes, modification dates, content changes, and checks some deviations for improved response times. Following a positive security model, our platform offers ongoing visibility and control to prevent drift and alert volume spikes. Streamlined change management using native and user-defined rule packs for real-time integrity change detection, allowing faster action without false alarms. Enhanced compliance by using our real-time monitoring to better facilitate IT efficiency. TrueFort curbs lateral movement by enabling microsegmentation through host firewalls, benchmarking regular activity, halting compromised credentials, limiting service account access, and obstructing unusual command line executions. For more information or to request a demo, please visit TrueFort.com.